It was a chilly night last night. There's frost on the tent, there's frost everywhere. The car is all frosted over. This water freezes. This is completely frozen. I am boiling water for some tea. The sun's about to rise. And we're gonna go to the hot springs this morning. My hands are freezing. The car said it was 23 degrees right now. Hudson's running around. He loves it here. This is one of the best. It's one of the best feelings in the world, I think. Sitting in a warm hot spring, moments like these that I live for. It's moments like these that I live for. It's one of the best feelings in the world, I think. Another wind advisory. Story of the desert camping. Always windy here. This is what it looks like. I'm trying to get some editing done. 60-mile-an-hour gusts. Got my dog here. Thankfully it's not too cold. It's a mess in here from last night. Cooking dinner inside. You know, trying to work in this. Yourself up, because life is short and it's worth living. Spark the flint, start your fire. Have a rough day. The last 24 hours we had just crazy winds. Your mental state blowing all night, so we didn't really sleep well. It blew all day today. We had just crazy winds. It is a spectacular night here. I've got dinner cooking on the wood stove. Hudson's taking a nap before dinner time. And it is just beautiful here. Sun's going down. Got some veggies cooking under here. I'm gonna make mac and cheese, and I'm gonna add all of this to it. So I'm gonna have like a veggie kind of mac and cheese with some ground beef. It's just beautiful out here. Sun's going down. This is the dream.